Have you ever think about it in your life? Why billionaires think differently than us, than everyone? Because they are achieving a great things or a great success in their day-to-day life. Because their mindset is different than all. So that's why I'm asking to you, why billionaires think differently without wasting time. Have you ever think about it? Yes, because they also try to focus and they always stick on it, their continuously habit. And habit is one of the key success which can also give you the best thing. But the thing is that you have to put your input in a good or a positive way which you really want in your life. Why I'm saying this? This is not my word. This is the word of everyone who is achieving the thing. If you really grade such kind of field, or you are such seeing a such kind of your friend who is just buying a new car or buying a new home and rebuilt their homes in a very luxury way, and you are just feel jealous, why he's doing like this, why I am not. I really want to like this type of luxury life and enjoy this, but the moment you can't, because your level is in a very bad way as compared as that person or a that friend who is doing very well, because something happened between both of you, because his mindset and your mindset is might be differ, and he just believe to doing the thing and you are just believing to saying something except doing a thing, except doing a effort. So that's the difference. You are just in a daydreaming and you are always just waiting for a perfection, but the other friend who is achieving, who is doing a great or a luxurious life and buying a great or a luxury car and build their homes very in a luxury way, his mindset is different than you. So that's the thing, why billionaires think differently than us. So that's the point, we have to focus on it, because billionaires also believe that I have to work, I have to take a action. If I do in this way, then the action also give in a reaction way, and the reaction is also in a positive, in a luxurious life. And you want to be like that person, I want to be like that. But I'm just giving an example billionaires, but you want also, except in English field. Yes, because you also just like a talk in English and you just consider I can just talk and just trying to give this field in a good way, then the thing will happen very perfectly. So in this way, the my viewers, my same types of the age content creator can join me and just trying to talk to me every day and just trying to improve my English bit by bit conversation and level up in knowledge. And in this way, I can also enhance my learning journey every day without without thinking I can't be able to do like that, I have a not a such kind of companion who can able to make me understand, I have a no, I don't have a friend who can able to talk to me. So with whom I can talk, with whom I can do practice, with whom I can do make videos. You, if you still just trying to thinking like that, so please tell me honestly, if you thinking in that kind of way. So I'm just giving you an example. Your phone is your companion. The only way you can talk to your phone, because I don't have a such kind of companion, because where I am and everyone just speaking in a Hindi way. If I say something in a English, then they still confused. What a way you are just saying that. You are just abusing me. So please tell me honest. Then I laugh at the moment. I'm saying that no, I'm not abusing you. I'm just trying to improve my English by saying something. When I just speak, they just thinking, and after sometimes I stop to talk to English. Then I come on the roof and just trying to make videos and just trying to talk to you, and you are watching my video. So I really don't know what a kind of way you are just thinking about me. The thing is that what I'm thinking about this moment, about this environment, what the people mindset is exactly exist. And you can also just trying to observing the thing where you are just doing a practice, and there are many distractions, but we have to overcome the situation, we have to manage the things, and we have to just trying to take a time, spend your life in a great success way, and just trying to talk like a small talk or a small conversation or a small type of blog, you can just trying to start from now. And I have seen a such type of person who really don't know. And as I talk about the previous of my friend or such type of person who can't be able to speak a single word and can't be understand the word of the English, and they always trying to ask what does it exactly mean, but you can't be imagine that a dead person is speaking like a pro or just liking a talk within a great accent, just like an American or a British, because they they do practice in a consistently. And English is the language, you have to be stick on it. And English is very easy, but you have to give your effort, you have to put your input in a positive or a consistent, then thing will happen perfectly. And where I am, the sun is already rised. Could you see that? No, wait, I'll show you. Now you can't be see. Now you can see back. It is a sun, and sun is totally rised, but it's a morning time. It takes to give the huge amount of heat around 9:30, 10:30, or 11 a.m. So it would be the great, it would be the huge amount of heat it will provide. And after we are just feeling that sweating or feeling more harassment, and we just feel that, Mama, please switch on the fan, I'm feeling very hot, and if you don't, then I can't see myself in a perfectly, then I can be mostly feeling very exhausted or a die. So you have to switch on fan or a AC or a cooler. So my question, what I just trying to make you understand, just trying to make your mindset and set it in a perfectly way. No one can try to make it very easily. Only the person you have to make it, you have to manage your time very perfectly. Okay, got it? Hoping that this conversation help you a bit conversation in a better way. So if you like, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel, so you can also join me everyday conversation or a everyday blog. Because I was thinking that if I do like in this way, because many of you are just facing a such kind of situation where I am, which I am already facing. So you can also express your emotions or thoughts, then I can also try to apply in my daily conversation and just trying to talk to you. Hoping that all you are doing very well, and if I made any mistakes, so please try to rectify with my saying something in conversation, so I can also try to implement and rectify me. So don't worry about it. I'm a friend, I'm a companion. You can also try just trying to say something which you are just thinking right now, right here. So I don't have a such kind of script, because my hands are right up in the air, and one hand I'm just grabbing my phone, and the other hand I'm just showing you. My hands are right up in the air, and I have nothing to reading, and just trying to deliver in front of you. Okay, got it. Thank you for your watching. Hoping that all you are doing well, and always trying to give you a precious time to watching a such kind of English video or English conversation. So in this way you can also build your confidence like a person who is speaking very well with a great accent. So goodbye, take care. I'll meet you in my next conversation. Goodbye.